everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I bring you a new unboxing from Zara. Let's start it. First of the new collection, I bought a dress. Let's unboxing together. My heart. Ta-da! Oh my god! I failed, you know. Okay, I have to return it. Oh my god. Okay, I failed unboxing. Can you see? I bought a dress and it's dirty. Okay. I have to return this dress. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Wow. Okay, I'm going to return this dress. I'm very hungry. Wow. They sent me a very dirty dress. I can't believe it. With a shirt.
I'm very disappointed with this purchase.
Okay, was a fail, absolute fail. Let's move on to the next. I opened this before because the cat wants to destroy the box. Let's open it up. A lot of things. First, this top. Gold. Next, this is blue and green with this ribbon. Next, I bought two t-shirts, one for me and one for my husband, the same, for Valentine's Day. Hi Wissy! It's another the same. And the last item from this great fail was this pair of boots. Hi Wissy, say hello. Let's try it.
Boots were very painful. I'll return this pair of boots.
Hi again. I'm now in Sola Square. The way to return this thing. I'm very disappointed with this purchase. I'm going to return before go to my job. Run of time, so let's go to Zara or return the boots and the dress. See you. I did it. The stuff was very unfriendly, and I returned the good, but it's not my fault. They saying, you know, with the same dress, it's in very bad condition. I'm very hungry, so I can't return it. I will see you in my next video. Say goodbye.